After startup, you'll see the Start tab. Here you can use the Open button to open a drawing, or the drop-down to open a sheet set or explore the sample drawings. Use the New button to create a drawing from the default drawing template file, or the New drop-down to browse available templates, get more templates online, or use the Create Sheet Set wizard. View the most recently used documents, open and save files to your connected drives, and explore various online learning content. We also provided easy access to important online resources like the What's New, Online Help, AutoCAD mobile app, AutoCAD web app, and more. In the Announcements area, you'll receive information about product updates, surveys, and Have You Tried articles. And in Connect, you can sign into your Autodesk account to access online services or send us feedback. The drawing area is where you create and modify objects to represent your design. In the upper left corner of the drawing area are the viewport controls. Here you toggle the display of the view cube and other viewing tools, control the number of viewports, select a named or preset view, or select a visual style. The view cube allows you to rotate the view of your drawing to see it from a different viewpoint. The navigation bar provides access to the steering wheel, pan, zoom and orbit tools, and show motion. Use the menu button in the lower right corner to customize the navigation bar. The drawing area also contains the UCS icon, which displays the positive directions of the X, Y, and Z axes. When you hover over a Drawing File tab, you'll see preview images of the model and layouts. Right-click on any Drawing File tab for additional options. Drag a File tab from the Application window, creating a floating window. This makes it easy to move the drawing onto another monitor. To return a floating window to the application, drag the title bar to the Files tab. Above the File tab is the ribbon. The ribbon organizes commands and tools into tabs and panels. For example, the Draw panel on the Home tab contains tools to create objects, such as lines, circles, and ellipses, while the Modify panel contains tools to modify objects, such as Move, Copy, and Rotate. The Quick Access toolbar displays frequently used tools. You can easily customize this to include the tools you like to use. Click the Application button to create, open, or publish drawings, or to search for commands. In the lower left corner of the drawing area are the controls to switch between model space, where you'll do most of your drawing, and paper space, the layout tabs that allow you to control which area of the drawing to publish and at which scale. You can add more layouts by clicking on the plus sign. Use the command line to start a command and provide input for the current command. As you enter a command, autocomplete will suggest a list of matching commands. From the command line, you can access other content such as layers, blocks, hatch patterns, and more. After typing a command name or input, press Enter. Dynamic Input displays the command prompts next to the cursor. At the bottom of the application window is the application status bar. The status bar displays common drafting aids, annotation scaling tools, and workspace customization tools. Use the workspace control to change to a 3D modeling workspace, where you can create solid, surface, or mesh models. Tool palettes contain tools to aid in the creation of your design. Tool palettes can also be customized with additional tools and content.